Morning guys! So today is Tuesday. So last week na natin today guys for placement and we are in the surgical ward. So panghapon tayo ngayon. So mag-aaral muna tayo kasi yung exam natin is this week. So open na yung portal for the exam Monday hanggang Saturday. So we have plenty time para mag-study. So study muna tayo guys. So, gumagawa lang ako ng revision. Yan guys, oh. Kalahati na tayo. So, ano pa lang dito? 10 o'clock. So, marami pa tayong time. 1 o'clock. 1:30 pa yung shift natin. So, magre-revise muna tayo. So, after nitong exam guys, last exam na to siya for the whole subject, for the whole course. So, ito na yung pinaka-last na exam. So, after nito, maghihintay na lang tayo ng placement allocation. Tapos, mayroon pa tayong 5 weeks na dapat ikumpletong placement. So, after ng exam yun na nga, maghihintay na lang tayo ng placement. Tapos, after ng placement, pwede na tayong mag-register sa AFRA from EN to RN. So, yun na yung next step after nito. So, maghihintay na lang tayo ng pag matapos na yung placements, maghihintay na lang tayo ng grades na i-upload ng university. Isa-submit nila yung mga grades natin sa AFRA, tapos pwede na tayo mag-register. So, maybe hopefully by December, if placements are all good and done before then, or maybe next year. So, next year is not that long time. So anyway, so we have plenty time to finish the placement, and yeah, homework's all done, and this is our last exam. So that's the next step guys, finish the placement and then registration if everything is all good. So yun lang yung ating path na dadaanan before tayo ma-register from EN to RN. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung magpaparegister na ako kung ano yung process. So, i-show ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga requirements, tsaka yung process, at tsaka yung fee, registration fee. What's that noise? Parang may train na dumaan. Tapos nang mag-exam guys! Oh my God! 2 hours yung exam. It's alright. Okay lang naman yung questions. Anyway, that's all done. Now I just got 5 more placements to go. Thank you, Lord. Tapos na tayo sa exam, guys. Tapos na, na-submit na natin. Very good, very good, very good. What's next? Placement. 5 more weeks. Uwi na guys. So, sa OR tayo today. Uwi na ako. So, bukas is last day, Friday. Sa medical ward ulit. Tayo sa whole week ako sa medical ward. Tapos, 1 day lang ngayon sa OR. That was fun. So, it's Thursday na guys, and tomorrow is our last day. So after tomorrow's shift, uwi na ako straight away. So nakapag-pack up na tayo guys. Blankets na lang ang ating ipalalagay sa ipapack up. Tapos yung mga dirty clothes na lang. Oh my God, hagad ako kasi nag-vacuum pa kami ng house. Kasi kailangan daw vacuumin yung sahig. Tapos yung mga wet clothes na lang ipapack up ko bukas. Tapos yung mga frozen foods. So, ready na tayo guys for tomorrow. Last day of 2 weeks placement. So, OR pala ako kanina guys. And bukas back to medical ward. So, ito yung mga dalahin natin. Yung iba nasa sasakyan na. So, ito na siya. Mga bagahe sa buhay. Ayan, ipapadry ko muna yan para wala akong labahin pag uwi. Tapos, yung computer natin nandun. Tapos, lalagyan na lang ng frozen foods. Ang mga nasa fridge, ilagay natin dyan. Tapos yun na. Tapos mga blanket. Naka-vacuum na tayo. Malinis na. At saka nakapag-dinner na rin tayo. Let's go, guys! Let's go na! Last day today. It's raining. Late na ako, guys. 5 minutes na lang. 1 o'clock na, guys. And pinauwi tayo ng maaga. So, bye Hamilton. Happy Friday, guys. So, last day na natin today, guys. So, last day today and uuwi na tayo. So, there is 383 kilometers away. So, that will take us 5 hours and 56 minutes. 5? Bakit ang tagal? Ba't ang tagal niyan? But anyway. So, magda-drive na tayo, guys. So, this is our last day of placement sa ward. So, sa medical ward ako today. So, pinauwi naman nila ako ng maaga, kaya very good. So, tignan natin kung makaka-stop ba tayo in halfway para mag-toilet. Kasi malayo-layo yung biyahe natin, guys. So, I'll see you later. Ayan yung ating distance. Oh, laka, malayo siya, guys. My God, guys, 2 hours and a half later. Stop muna tayo. Kaya mata ko ang pula-pula. Naantok ako. Stop over muna tayo, guys. Bili muna tayo ng maiinom. Tapos magto-toilet lang tayo. So, the same spot pa rin tayo nung inistapan natin last time sa Avoca Town. Baka maraming avocado dito. But anyway, guys. Ito siya. Yan. Same pa rin ng last time. Avoca Hotel. Bahay na tayo, guys. Oh my God, 5 hours drive. That's very long. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Maa-unpack na tayo. Oh my golly, golly gosh. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.